What's going on, pop stars? I pray that you all are doing well. I hope you guys are making the best of this whole situation that's going on with the world. I pray you guys are in good spirits and you're just making, like I said, the best of it, because this is something that we're all having to deal with, not by choice. But the thing is, we can just focus on what's good about the situation and just hold on to that, at least. But anyway, I am popping in because I have a new video I want to share. As you can see by the title, I have an aloe leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, hair strengthener, all the above that I want to share with you guys. It is great for hair growth. It is great for retaining length. Oh my gosh. You guys, just stay tuned. So a few days ago, I built up the courage and the strength to go ahead and tackle my hair. I detangled, washed, deep conditioned it, and then when I got out of the shower, I set it into 4 twists, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and I left it as such so I can just kind of dry. My hair usually takes a couple days to dry on its own because I don't sit under the dryer and things of that nature. So the only type of heat that I put on my hair is via my steamer, which of course I do that for deep conditioning, and my hair loves it, my skin loves it. I just love it. But anyway, I wanted to pop in again, like I said, and share this leave-in conditioner that I have made at home, and you can make at home too. I shared that video on my channel already. I'll put the card right here so you guys can just click that link after this video and check out how to make it. It's really easy and really quick. It just takes 3 ingredients. It's raw aloe, and whatever oils of your choice. So really it could be either 2 ingredients, just your aloe, and then whatever, if you want to do 1 oil or 2. Me personally, I just did 1 oil. I did castor oil, because castor oil is really good at conditioning your hair. I usually put it in almost all of my products before I apply it to my hair. And then of course, here is that leave-in conditioner with aloe. And like I said, I shared a video already on that, so you can click on that link and it'll take you straight to it after this video so you can check out how to make it. And here's another beautiful thing about this leave-in conditioner. It did not cost a lot of money. You guys, if you know anything about me, you know I get real excited knowing that I can do something or have something that is of quality, that works, and that's not expensive. Yes! Because I'm a firm believer in good, and good for you does not have to be expensive. Quality does not have to be expensive. Can it be expensive? Sure it can, but it doesn't have to be. So like the aloe leaf, you can go into your grocery store, like around where I get it, it's about $1.50 per leaf. And I think the most I've seen it was like maybe $2 or $3, depending on which grocery store that you go to. And then of course, whatever oil you want. Your oil is going to be the most expensive. This castor oil, now it's not the Jamaican black castor oil that everybody swears by. Not saying that those don't work, but I grew up having castor oil put in my hair from baby, and it's always been the regular laxative castor oil. And this castor oil at Walmart is like $2 and some change. If you go and you get the black castor oil, the Jamaican black castor oil, I think I've seen it, the lowest amount is like $6, and I think the bottle is about this size or about half the size. But either way, pick your oil. You could put coconut oil, you could put olive oil, you could put multiple oils, but like I said, I didn't want anything really heavy although castor oil is one of the heavier oils, but you know, it's still not quite summertime, so I'm okay with putting a heavier oil. As the seasons change and it goes more into the warmer months, I put lighter oils because, you know, we don't really need there's more moisture in the air, so I don't have to pump too much into my hair. But anyway, I could go on and on and on. Let's go ahead and get started. So before I begin, let me just show you what I'm working with. As you guys see, I'm working with this hair. And this is not a cute style at all, but as we all know, we're all at home, so I didn't care what my hair looked like. I just kind of pulled it up because I didn't just want them all, like, all four of them sticking out. So what I did was, funny thing, I had two here and two here, and then I was working and I had a Zoom call, which I'm pretty sure we've all experienced this, from a coworker, and realized that my hair was looking like a hot mess. And I was like, hold up, let me do something. So basically all I did was I took the two that were just hanging out, and I just took it and I just tied it up and tucked it. Of course, it's not gonna try to cooperate with me, but there we go. I tied it and I tucked it, and that's what you have. Nothing cute. If you find it cute, that's all well and good, but I just put it up like that. I didn't really care too much because, you know, I wasn't trying to impress anybody, but I did the same with the back. So let me just show you that. So working with this hair, freshly washed, and it's dry now. I have my comb that I use for detangling. I have my clips that I've shared in previous videos. I think the last hair video I did, the last few hair videos I did, one of them was the raw apple cider vinegar one. I'll link that right here. And then also, I did quite a few, so I'm not gonna go through all of them. You could just go back and check it. So, and then of course, the leave-in. So here we go. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking throughout this because I know I have the gift of gab, although I do talk with purpose. You just want to see how it's done. So why am I putting it in my hair? Well, I'm putting it in my hair because I want to re-moisturize it, which I always have to do after I wash it a couple days. And then of course I want to keep my hair moisturized, and I want to strengthen it so that it can continue to grow. And why I say continue is because I'm not a firm believer that products grow your hair. They can help you retain the length of the hair that's growing from within, because let's keep in mind, hair growth is from within, okay? 99% of your hair growth is from within. It has to grow from inside to come out. So the products, they basically just complement the growth and help you retain it. So anyway, here we go. So I'm gonna do a section at a time, and basically what I'm gonna do is I am going to apply it, and I'm just gonna twist it back up. I'm not gonna put it in the 4 big twists. Look at that. My hair is growing like crazy, you guys. I'm pretty sure it's due to my juicing and my eating and my exercising and my sleep and drinking my water. It takes all those things. But like I said, I'm probably going to do each section in 4, and then just let it dry, and then just pull it back in a ponytail or tuck them and go. So I will try to remember to record the finishing results, you know, because I don't plan on taking it out or anything like that since we're not really going anywhere. So I'm just going to show you, of course, once I'm done applying everything and how my hair looks. Right now, it looks really dry. I don't know if you can see that, but it feels really dry to me. So it's time to pump her back up with some moisture. So, all right. So I hope you guys enjoy. finished that first section, and I did them in about 5 twists. They feel super soft. Oh my gosh. You'd never know castor oil is in here, which is a good thing because it does not smell good at all. It's not like horrific, but you know, it doesn't have the most pleasant smell. And then my twists are nice and defined. If you can see that, the lighting. Nice and juicy. They feel almost silky. Oh my gosh. So, and of course my hair feels like, I mean, it literally feels like silk, you guys. I kid you not. This feels so good. Look at that. And shrinkage is real because when I first did this first twist, it stopped like halfway down my chest. And look where it shrunk up to now. But I want you guys to remember, do not get upset about shrinkage because shrinkage is actually protection. Our coils, our curls, they draw up to protect the strands because, you know, when their curls are easier to break, or hair is easier to break, our type of hair. So it just kind of coils up to protect it all. So just kind of think of it like that. But anyway, I got 3 more sections to do, so enjoy. Just wanted to stop for a second to show you guys the difference. Look at it. Soft and moisturized. Juicy. Very lightweight feeling versus dry and needing some TLC. Finishing up the last one. And because I didn't really have to do too much detangling, this whole process took me roughly about 30 minutes, if that. And that's while recording, stopping and going and all that other good stuff. So it is all done. I am moisturized. Here is the finished results. And like I said, it takes my hair a couple days to dry. But I am about to get outside because it is beautiful out, sunny and high 70s. So I'm gonna get outside and let the sun help me dry my hair in a quicker amount of time. So here is the finished product. Super silky, super soft, feels amazing. The smell is nice. I mean, it all depends on what oils you put it in. And as I said, I put castor oil in mine and I don't smell it at all. Score! So let me just show you the back. And it's shrunken a lot, but that's okay. Shrinkage is protection. But it feels great. And like I said, I just wanted to pop in and share this with you guys. I always like to share positive things, things that are going to help you, things that are going to teach you, encourage you, and, you know, help you achieve whatever goals you're going after. And I know we all want long, healthy, beautiful hair. So this is one of the products and one of the healthy habits for my hair that I use that I wanted to share. So thanks again for tuning in, you guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for us. When you like the episode, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave comments below.